Well, hello everybody, this is Street Outlaws No Prep Talk. Today we're going to talk about an accident that took place last night during the filming of the new season of Street Outlaws 405. This is one of the videos where I please ask to leave your comments respectfully and send your prayers to the person involved, in this case, Jeff Lutz. This is a horrible thing that happened last night, and it really proves how dangerous it is when you're filming Street Outlaws. So Jeff Lutz last night during the filming of the new season crashed the 57 Chevy. They're filming in Okima, which supposedly is not too bad of a road and you go really fast, but it's still extremely dangerous. And the 57 Chevy that Jeff Lutz built is one of the most iconic cars on the show, most beautiful cars on the show, and Jeff Lutz is definitely one of the best drivers on the show as well. So I think it sucks. I really do. I mean, I really hope he gets this car back together. Looking at the photos from the crash, it was a bad one. Now, first of all, Jeff Lutz is okay. The car did its job, and from what I've heard, he is fine. Minor injuries, but he's okay. That's the most important thing. So the car can be replaced. He built this car himself. That also proves how good of a chassis builder he is, because it kept him safe. It looks pretty banged up. Hopefully it is repairable. I know it's gonna need a new body, but the front half is destroyed, the back half looks like it's destroyed as well, and obviously the body is crushed. So I really do hope he can get this car rebuilt. Everybody loves the 57, and honestly, everybody loves Jeff Lutz as well. And he's been an awesome racer on the show, and it really does suck to see something like this happen, especially while filming the OG 405 show, which we all love. So, my prayers sent to Jeff Lutz, his family, and hopefully he will get himself running again real soon and back on the list or back on whatever racing the 405 is doing right now. And as I said, keep your comments respectful and leave a positive comment for Jeff Lutz.